Okay, it says to write two things about these numbers. So we said they are also divisible by 2 and 5, and we're on page 94 here at the bottom. And we can also say their last digits are 0. Okay? All right, so that's what we should say there on the bottom of page 94. Moving on now, we're on page 95. So let's make sure we have our books to page 95. And it says to complete the table, and the first one has been done for you. Okay, so let's complete this table here. Looks like I've got that says to look at the number 24. They did that first one for us. So that's check XXX. Okay. So we need to decide whether or not the number 30 is divisible by the number 2. It sure is. How about 5? Yes. 10? Yes. And 30? Or sorry, 100? No. And then how about number 78? Yeah, we can divide that by 2. The number 5? No, that won't work. How about is 78 divisible by 10? No. Is 78 divisible by 100? No, so just the 2 there. All right, for the number 95, it is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 5. It isn't divisible by 10. And it isn't divisible by 100 either. So just the 1 there. All right. For the number 100, it's divisible by 2. It's divisible by 5. It's divisible by 10. And it's divisible by 100. For the number 250, we can say that is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 5. It is also divisible by 10. But it isn't divisible by 100. All right, for the number 360, it is divisible by 2, 5, 10, but not 100. And the last one there, we're just going to give it all check marks because it's divisible by all of those. So make sure you got those. And we'll move on to the bottom half here. It looks like we're on number 3. It says to look at the numbers and write the numbers that are multiples of 10. So here we go. Of this list, we need to write the numbers that are multiples of 10. If I can get back there. All right, so the first one is going to be 700. All right, there we go. 700. If I can get it there. There we go. All right, and then we can say 40, 20, and 440. All right, write the numbers that are divisible by 2. Here we go. We could say 772, 40, 20, 440. And the last one there is 108 of that list. Okay, so they're all even numbers. All right, the last one there, or C, says to write the numbers that have a factor of 5. Okay, so for that one, we can say 700, 25, 40, 20, 305, and then the last one would be 440. Okay. It says to write the numbers that are divisible by both 2 and 5. We should say 700, 40, 20, and 440. And the last one there says to write the numbers that are divisible by 5, but not